Hi! Today I want to show you my new tools that arrived from Otto Frei. These are staples that I think every jeweler needs. Let's start with this organizer. My collection of Rotary tool attachments grew over time, so I needed something bigger to organize all of the bits. I've tried other solutions, a wooden block and a smaller rotating organizer, but they are now too small. This one should be enough for my attachments. I can keep my silicone bits, the deco wheels, polishing mops and frosting attachments all in one place. Next we have this handy sandbag. I've never had one before for some reason, but it's extremely useful. You use it to absorb the blow of your hammer, so it's perfect to use with a stamping block and with doming block, for example. These are some serious snips. They are large and will easily tackle wires and metal sheet. I've recently used them to cut my large supply of brass sheet into smaller pieces. This lock will help you keep them closed when not in use. And the return spring makes it very easy to cut. Despite large size, they fit in your hand perfectly. I wish I had gotten them sooner to save me some time on cutting. Now these needle files are just brilliant. They are a set of 12 files in Cut 4, which isn't very coarse. Good quality files will help you with precise work and save you a lot of time and frustration. These are some finer diamond cut files I've used before and a small set of coarse files from a hardware store. They're great and I've used them to clean the metal a lot, but I needed something finer and nothing beats a set of quality files like these. Next we have this beading tool set of 12 sizes. These are used for stone setting to form round polished beads that hold the stone in. For example, in star setting. These are very durable and they hold their shape longer. This set also includes a quick change handle. It's a must-have if you wish to expand your stone setting skills. This one I was especially excited for because my old shears were driving me crazy. These ones are very well made with comfortable handles or easy grip and return spring that don't fall off. The blades are sharp and easily cut through the metal. The old cheap ones were okay, but definitely cost me a lot of unnecessary headache. The new ones are worth getting as soon as possible. These parallel pliers may seem like an unnecessary addition, but trust me that you will need them more often than you think. I'm glad I finally have them, especially for holding small elements and pieces of metal. They help you handle your work and save those precious hands. This is another excellent tool which turned out to be the absolute staple in my case. Round nose pliers. I use them constantly to shape elements, for example little flowers. These are of great quality and you can feel that they are very sturdy. They fit comfortably in your hand. The noses of my old ones no longer align and now they slightly move, which makes it impossible to use them with intricate work. Drills are absolutely necessary if you want to make holes in your metal and plan on doing some more intricate piercing. This set of 8 drills offers sizes from 0.5 millimeter to 1.2 millimeters. They are very precise and sturdy and I hope they will be much better than the regular ones I've used before. Drilling isn't my strong suit, so I'm very excited to try these ones and compare the efficiency and results. And last but not least, 2 new hand files in Cut 2 and Cut 4. Cut 2 is coarser and Cut 4 is finer. I wanted to replace my old file that I had for about 5 years and these are excellent. These 2 cuts will be perfect for your filing needs too. Thank you so much for watching today and I hope I will see you in the next one. Bye!